English to Tagalog questions with answers. Can I use your computer, please? Pwede ko bang gamitin ang computer mo? Yes, you can. Oo naman. Can I help you? Pwede ba kitang matulungan? Yes, please. I'd like to know what time the bus leaves. Oo. Gusto ko sanang malaman kung anong oras umaalis ang bus. No thanks, I'm just looking. Hindi na, salamat. Tumitingin lang ako. Shall I open the window for you? Bubuksan ko na ba ang bintana para sa'yo? Thanks, that will be very kind of you. Salamat, ang bait mo naman. No need, it's too windy outside. Huwag na, masyadong mahangin sa labas. Yes, please. I really need fresh air. Sige, salamat. Kailangan ko din ng sariwang hangin. Would you like another coffee? Gusto mo ba ng isa pang kape? Yes, please. That would be better. Oo, sige. Mabuti pa nga. No thanks. This one is enough. Hindi na. Tama na ang isang ito. Would you like me to answer the call? Gusto mo bang sagutin ko ang tawag? If you wouldn't mind. Kung ayos lang sa'yo. Can I borrow your eyeglasses? Pwede ko bang hiramin ang salamin mo? Can I leave early? Pwede ba akong umalis ng maaga? Yes, you can. Besides, I have Jane with me. Oo naman. Isa pa, kasama ko naman si Jane. My pens ran out. Can I borrow one of yours? Wala nang laman ang panulat ko. Pwede ko bang mahiram yung isa mo? Sure. Here you are. Sige. Heto oh. Would you like me to help on your new project? Gusto mo bang tulungan kita sa bagong mong proyekto? I would love to help. Nais kong tumulong. Would you mind to get me coffee when you go out? Ayos lang bang kuhanan mo ako ng kape kapag lumabas ka? Will you check my thesis for me? Pwede mo bang tingnan ang thesis ko para sa akin? Sure. When do you need it? Sige. Kailan mo ba gagamitin? Would you give me a ride home? Pwede mo ba akong ihatid pa uwi? Sorry, I have an appointment later. Pasensya na, may lakad pa ako mamaya. Would you please turn off that radio? Pwede bang pakipatay ng radyo? Sorry if it bothers you. Pasensya na kung nakakaabala ito sa'yo. Will you do me a favor? Pwede bang humingi ng pabor? Sure, anything you want. Sige, kahit anong gusto mo.